How do I get brand deals as a beginner creator, even if I have a small following? It's a question we get asked all the time. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to start pitching your favorite brands, we've got 3 quick tips that'll set you on the path to landing those deals. Tip number 1, build a brand that brands want. Brands are looking for creators who have a clear niche, consistent messaging, and an engaged audience. But more importantly, they want to know that their target audience is already where you're at. Not only is it important to build a strong personal brand, but it's important to prime your audience for branded content by creating content about the industries, products, or services that you want to work with someday. For example, if your dream partnership is with Nike, start recommending your favorite Nike sneakers on your Instagram stories, or organically mention them in a vlog. Oh, and don't forget to tag them. By naturally integrating your favorite products and tools, your audience will feel like your brand collabs are more authentic to you, and brands are more likely to notice consistent, genuine interest from you. Plus, there's nothing wrong with speaking your partnership goals into existence. Tip number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start working with brands, no matter the size of your following. With affiliate marketing, you promote products and earn a commission when your audience makes a purchase through your unique link. Not only is this a great way to monetize early, but it also shows brands that you can drive sales, a major bonus when pitching them later. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Sephora's affiliate program, Airbnb, and so many more. It's a win-win. You earn money and brands get exposure. We get more in detail about affiliate marketing over here on the Later blog. Tip number 3, leverage platforms that connect creators with brands. Later helps brands find, recruit, vet, and collaborate with over 10 million influencers. Once you're signed up, you can search for and apply to campaigns on your own or get discovered by brands with open campaigns and connect for collaborations. Later is partnered with brands like Coca-Cola, Meta, MasterCard, and so many more. You definitely don't want to miss the chance to connect with them. We'll leave the link to sign up to Later in the description box below. And then remember, every creator starts somewhere, and with consistency, you'll be landing more brand deals in no time. Just don't forget us when you land those deals, okay? If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which tip you're gonna try first. Until next time, we'll see you later.